Ever dreamed of turning your awesome ideas into cold, hard cash online, but hit a wall because you're not yet 18 and Stripe seems off limits? First off, let's be clear, Stripe's official terms state you need to be 18 or older to create an account directly, but don't lose hope just yet. The most straightforward approach is to have a parent or legal guardian create the Stripe account. They would use their own information, name, address, tax ID, and link their bank account. Then, with their permission, you can manage the day-to-day operations of the account, processing payments and fulfilling orders. This ensures compliance with Stripe's rules, as the account is legally under their responsibility. Think of it like this: your parent or guardian is the official owner while you act as the manager. This structure lets you gain experience while staying within the legal boundaries. Another option to explore is Stripe Connect, specifically the platform accounts. This allows a business that's already Stripe compliant to onboard you as a connected account to receive payment. While this might involve more coordination with an existing business, it can be a viable path. Remember to always prioritize transparency and ethical practices when navigating these options. Before making any decisions, it's always a smart idea to consult with a legal or financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation and local laws. They will help you navigate the fine print. So, while being under 18 presents a hurdle, it doesn't have to be a complete roadblock. With a little creativity and the right support, you can still chase those entrepreneurial dreams and get paid for your awesome work.